Yep. He's jerking audits. And we have the first fire on the 5th of November, Bonfire night. Well, nearly Bonfire night. It's not even dark yet, and we've already got the first fire. Let's have a look what kind of fire we've got. Probably. Oh, it's finished. Have I missed it? Have I missed it?
Yeah, I missed it, yeah.
Oh, it's a warm up. I don't know where it is. Is it there? Nope. Don't know where it was. The water's here. Just follow the water, I suppose. Bit of a crash there. Too fast on this road as usual. I saw smoke somewhere a minute ago. And I thought, I'll go check that fire out. Might be a bonfire. Looks like we've put it out wherever it is. It's got to be somewhere along here. Follow the evidence. It's got to be in park, right? There's no water up here though. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. It's got to be in park, surely. Cat nearly gets run over. Friday the 5th of November. So there's going to be a few pubs getting a bit of money tonight, hopefully. Not like they make a lot of money on beer nowadays because it's hot. Found more water. Got to be around here somewhere, right? I don't know. The water's here. Maybe up here. Around the back or something. Looks like a leaky pipe. Fire brigade water. Water here. That's new water. I don't know. I don't rightly know. Oh. Where was the fire?
Which fire?
I don't know, there was a fire engine down there. I saw smoke, but I couldn't find it.
I know there was smoke further on down there, but I don't know.
Alright, cool. Thanks. That's maybe it was city. Broke in the city, another fire. Let's see the football ground. Bloody hell, I never thought that wiring out, did I? It's been like that for ages. Years and years, it's like far back as I can remember, to be fair. Looks city mess. Oh, you can't get down here, can you? Forgot about that. I bet you it were in there, actually. Maybe. Yeah, I might go back down. I will find it. Promise. Yo! What's going on? What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Alright, cool.
What are you doing?
Sort that wiring out as well. It's a right mess.
What are you doing down here?
I'm a YouTuber. Cheers. Oh, that looks nice. Ooh, like a good bit of grass. I used to have this proper immaculate lawn, and I used to deliver newspapers when I was like 12. And they had a path that were proper windy, and it was just stupid, so I just used to cut straight across the grass, and he used to come out and fucking have a go at me. I made a nice windy path for you. Oh yeah, thanks a lot, mate. It makes me walk even further. Where was the fire?
What?
Where was the fire? Yeah, that were a bit of a misguided detour. I knew the fire were here. Well, oh, why did they put fire out? Why did they put fire out?
Why are you fucking taking the picture?
Because I saw a fire.
What are you fucking doing?
Because I saw a fire.
Take the house, bro.
What?
Why are you taking the picture first?
Because
Are we doing something criminal?
I saw a
Can you
fire.
fuck off, bro?
I saw a fire.
Fuck, are you a fireman?
And I just wanted to see what was going on.
Yeah, so what are you fucking doing?
It's bonfire night.
Leave? Fucking go, bro.
It's bonfire night.
Fucking get out.
Why?
Why? Why are you taking my picture? Fucking go home. You have nothing to do, man.
I'm in public, mate. I'm in public. I'm in public. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do.
What are you fucking doing? Just fuck off.
Stop swearing.
I'm not swearing. What are you doing here? You don't have nothing to do.
Because I just wanted to know what the fire.
You have nothing to do.
I wanted to warm my hands up. I was cold. Is that your boss? Is that your boss? It's fucking mental. Stop swearing, it's fucking mental. They're using it as a dumping ground by the looks of it. I don't understand why they actually put the fire out though. I'm guessing it might be their property. Either that or... Should I call police on it? Like, that dumping is disgusting. I don't know if it were him or not, but... if he's setting fire to it, then it probably is him. Unless he's just setting fire to it because it's his land and he wants to get rid of it. Somebody else has dumped it there. Well, either way, that's another aggressive fool on camera. Looks like he's on drugs as well. Not that I mind, but I don't mind drugs as long as you don't know a punt about it. Most of them are. So yeah, still waiting on the monetisation. Like and subscribe. I'm not going to be scared of people like that. And I'm not going to stop filming. So yeah, let's get the subscriber count up to 84% because it's like 85% not subscribed. I want to get it up to 84% not subscribed, and then there'll be if you can do that for me, then I'll put some more videos up. Even though I'm not getting monetized yet, so I probably should wait. But I've got a backlog of videos ready to come. Some of them are better than others, but you know me, I like it all raw, unedited, the story of my life. Now I've got a decent camera, I can show you what I have to put up with in this Bradford place. People like that, aggressive thug, lunkhead, druggie probably. Foaming at the mouth nearly. He's a funny guy. Yo! Smile, you're on camera. Be on YouTube, joking audits.
What's that?
You'll be on YouTube, joking audits. Working hard. I was going to make a tennis table on myself. I need some of that wood. But you've got to like glue it all together and like make your own like sheet because they don't cut a thick enough piece of wood off before you. I don't think you get thick enough trees to get a full size tennis table out of the one tree. So you've got to like stick them together or something. Because I don't think they use a medium density fiberboard. I think they use I can't remember now. Anyway, like and subscribe. Let's get the subscriber count up. And thank you for watching. Joking Audits out.